Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a soft keffiyeh and folding it into a clean triangle. This creates the base shape you'll wear. Lay the triangle flat and smooth creases so edges align. This prevents bunching later. Drape the long edge across the forehead with the point facing back, then adjust the length over each shoulder so one side is slightly longer. Make sure fabric sits comfortably at the hairline and that the triangle point hangs centered down the back. Once the scarf is positioned, take the longer side and wrap it under your chin, aiming for a snug but breathable fit. This anchors the scarf and prevents slipping. Tie a simple overhand knot beneath the jaw or use a discreet pin for stronger hold. If you knot, keep it low so it stays hidden beneath clothing. Adjust front drape so it frames your face. Smooth any folds and make sure the back point lies flat against your upper back for clean lines. To finish, even out both sides and smooth the fabric across your shoulders so the pattern reads clearly and the point sits centered at the back. Check comfort by moving your head. If it shifts, tighten the knot a little or retuck the loose side into your collar. If the scarf still slips, discreetly secure a small safety pin where layers overlap. Once done, hide the pin under fabric. Make sure breathing and jaw movement remain natural and you're ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.